Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Semi Hemi Phase 4. So first, for our face, we're going to start by drawing a diagonal line that comes down and then in on the left-hand side. And then again, starting from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line back out and up on the right. Now from here for the teeth, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way down on the right. We're just going to leave an even amount of space in between each one as we move down. And then we're going to replicate this as we come up on the left. Now in the center for the tongue on the right, we're going to curve this line up, making sure to stay underneath our teeth, curving that out on the left. And then again, continuing to curve this line down on the bottom, arching that back in on the side. And then again, from the top, we're just going to curve this line down and in towards our tongue on both sides. And then we're just going to draw in another triangle as we move in towards our tongue. Now let's draw in a nice big circle closing off the head. So we're going to curve this line around, bringing that back in on the top. And then we're going to do the same on the right, curving this line all the way around and then back in. For the eyes now on both sides, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to move over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're going to replicate that. On the top now, let's curve this line over. And then moving down again one more time, leaving a small gap. On the top, on both sides, we're going to draw in a half circle for the pupil. On the left-hand side for the eyebrow, we're going to curve this line down in the middle. On the right-hand side for the eyelashes, we're going to draw in two curved triangles that come down. And then we're just going to color those in black. Now for the mouth, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal on the right. Now moving across for the hair, on the left, let's curve this line up and then back in on the side. Leaving a gap, let's replicate that again, making that slightly bigger. And then moving down to the bottom, making that smaller, curving that line back around and then in. Now on the right, we're going to curve the hair down. So on the top, we're going to arch this line down, back in, leaving a small gap, curving this line down, arching that back up. And then again, just making that slightly smaller, curving that back in. And then now let's draw in the torso. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly down towards the bottom. On the left-hand side, let's draw a diagonal line that comes down, ending that at the same height. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the right. And then now from here, we're just going to connect all of these lines together with a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Semi Hemi Phase 4 from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.